If you want to call and set up voicemail on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to go to the phone app. Now over here we can switch to the keypad and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail, just like that. And then you can of course listen to the voicemail and you might be able to set it up by following instructions that you will hear on the call. In case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, or you just cannot reach voicemail like that, you might need to fix the voicemail number in settings. So go back to the home page and tap on these lines in the upper left corner. Then you want to choose settings. And once you open settings, in here you can find the voicemail option. If necessary, select your SIM for which you want to fix the voicemail number. Then we're gonna go to advanced settings. And then in here we have the voicemail number which we can edit. In case you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can simply Google that information by just typing voicemail number and then also the name of your carrier or service provider. Or you can try to contact your operator and ask them about the voicemail number. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.